Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by assembling precise ingredients. 4 large egg whites, 1/4 cups granulated sugar, 1/4 cup water, 8 ounces unsalted butter softened, 1 teaspoon vanilla, and a pinch of salt. Chill the mixing bowl briefly to remove grease and measure butter at room temperature so it is soft but not melted. Set a reliable candy thermometer to read up to 250 degrees F and prepare an ice bath. Clean equipment is essential because any fat or yolk will prevent a stable meringue. Separate eggs cold and bring whites to room temperature before whipping. Combine 1/4 cups sugar and 1/4 cup water in a saucepan and dissolve sugar over medium heat, then bring to a boil until the candy thermometer reads 240 degrees F, the softball stage. Meanwhile, start whipping 4 room-temperature egg whites with a pinch of salt until glossy, soft peaks form. With the mixer on medium speed, pour the hot syrup in a thin, steady stream down the side of the bowl so it cooks the whites into an Italian meringue. Whip until the bowl feels cool to the touch and the meringue is thick and glossy. Once the Italian meringue is cool, add 8 ounces, 226 g, softened unsalted butter in small 1 tablespoon pieces while the mixer runs on medium-low. Add a new piece only after the previous one blends. Continue whipping until the buttercream becomes silky, smooth, and pipeable. If it looks curdled, keep whipping and the emulsion will reset. Beat in 1 teaspoon vanilla and taste if you need firmer texture or more sweetness. Mix up to 1/4 cup powdered sugar. Store airtight in the refrigerator up to 5 days or freeze up to 2 months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.